I'm going to show you how to use the Scootababy. So the Scootababy is a hip carrier. So you don't carry with two shoulders, we just carry with just one shoulder, but the weight is evenly distributed all over your back, your lower back and your shoulder, so it doesn't feel like all the weight is just on one side. So we're going to put it on, so bring your waist belt on your waist. You've got a lumbar support here, which is really nice and lovely. Give it a clip and then retighten by pulling the webbing. So for hip carries, obviously we would go on the hip like this, and then you would bring your shoulder here on the other side. Start with this back strap like quite tight, somewhere fitting around your body, because this one you would just leave it as it is, and then to loosen, to take your baby in and out, you just use this one. So like this, get ready. You can just bring your baby onto your hip like this, so you leave it quite loose, and then you just slide your baby in on each side. Bring the panel over the back and just sit your baby in. And then here we would retighten. What you can also do is loosen the front strap, leave it on your side, and then grab a baby. Bring baby onto your hip, and then you can bring the panel across their back like that, and then onto over your shoulder like this, and then here we will just retighten. So you grab the strap and then you pull that way. So you choose how you set it, it's up to you, whatever you feel most confident with. Make sure you really spread out the fleece shoulder like that, so it gives you lots of support. It's really lovely. You can have your baby more onto the hip, or you a little bit more to the front, especially if your baby falls asleep. It's quite nice to have your baby sleeping on your front like that. This carrier is from 5 months old, so you need to really make sure your baby's got full head control up until well into toddlerhood, even like up to 3-year-old. You need to always make sure that the panel is not too high, so it's not covering the face, and then you're well supported in terms of the base with your baby like this. Okay, it's also possible to do a back carry. So to do a back carry, I'm going to loosen my shoulder strap a bit, hold baby, and I'm going to loosen my waist belt. I'm just going to twist baby to the back, so it's safe because this is holding my baby in place. Arm over, zoop, like that, and when you feel this nice and comfortable, you can retighten and respread, and you can retighten your front as well. Make sure you really monitor your baby when they're on the back, and always wait for your baby to have full head control before you start back carrying. To bring your baby back around, you can loosen, and then you can just bring your baby back to your front like that. Taking baby out, super simple. You just loosen the strap, support baby, bring it over your baby, and then take your baby out, and that's it. Thank you for watching.